We often think success comes from doing something extraordinary or inventing something completely new. The secret of success is to do the common thing uncommonly well. It's about paying attention to the small details, being consistent, and always giving your best, even in tasks that seem routine. The difference between average and exceptional people is rarely the work they do. It's the quality, care, and commitment they bring to that work every single day. A great example of this is Colonel Harland Sanders. Fried chicken wasn't a new invention, and neither was cooking. But Colonel Sanders focused on making one simple recipe better than anyone else. He spent years perfecting his blend of herbs and spices and traveled across the country trying to convince restaurant owners to use his recipe. He faced hundreds of rejections before someone finally believed in his idea. What started as a simple fried chicken recipe eventually became KFC, one of the most recognized food brands in the world. He didn't succeed by doing something uncommon. He succeeded by doing a common thing uncommonly well. So the next time you feel that your work is too ordinary to make a difference, remember this lesson. Excellence isn't about doing extraordinary things once in a while. It's about doing ordinary things exceptionally well every single day. Whatever your goal is, focus on improving by just 1% each day. Stay committed to quality and never underestimate the power of consistency. Success isn't reserved for people who do different things. It's earned by those who do the same things better than anyone else.